Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Snapchat and going straight to Profile, then Settings. You do this to access your memories and account controls. Once done, make sure you are signed into the exact account that holds the snaps. Also confirm the app is updated and your device has at least half a gigabyte free so backups won't fail. Next, tap Memories. This is where automatic save settings live, so you can enable cloud backup and choose what to preserve before moving to export. You now configure memories. Tap Memories, then Save To, and select whether snaps save to memories only, camera roll, or both. Choose based on storage and privacy. Once selected, enable backup to start cloud syncing. Make sure you permit uploads over Wi-Fi or cellular, depending on your data plan. If you prefer manual control, you select to pick specific snaps or stories and export them to your device or a cloud service. This step ensures the right content. You finish by exporting and verifying the backup. Select the snaps or a folder, choose Export, and save as a zipped file or send to Google Drive or iCloud so you have an external copy. Once done, verify uploads completed by checking the memory section and file sizes. Make sure your connection and free storage are adequate. If anything stalls, sign out and back in, clear Snapchat cache, or reinstall the app. Also check Snapchat server status. These steps usually resolve sync or backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.